Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Christine and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video like this. Today's video, I'll be doing a very quick unboxing of this kind of like phone accessories for vlogging. And we're gonna test it with a smartphone. We'll see it's okay to use it with smartphone for vlogging. So this is the selfielightpod, little tripod with the flexible lights on it. And this is what's look like the packaging, like that. Alright everyone, let's do the unboxing real quick. So when you open the box, alright, this is what's look like the box, guys. Super cute packaging of the box, very tiny box, and they put all the information about the tripod, and the same in the back of the box and the other side as well. And when you open the box, it comes with this little tripod, super cute tripod. Very cute little tripod, and this is the ring light that it comes with. This is the tripod. It comes with a tripod, and also it comes with this, I don't know how do you call this, that you can attach your smartphone, and comes with the battery as well. I already put the battery on it. And what is it? Triple A battery. And when you open the lights, just like when you open the lights, like got those like light, very like medium light, and super like 3 option of lights if you wanna change it with different brightness. There you go, very cute. All right everyone, we're gonna test it using the smartphone, and we're gonna test the ring light, how bright it is. All right, let's put it together. The little ring light, it is so cute. I love how it like super small and cute. Actually you can fit it in your small purse, whatever kind of purse you have, because it's really small. And actually this, you can like move it around like that, and yeah, side like that, you can move it around. Super cute. By the way guys, this is 360 degrees view angle. And yeah, let's put my phone in here, and then we're gonna test it. Did I break it? Heard pinching. I don't know. I heard like something came off and like actually hit my fingers, and it like shoots on to the ground. There you go guys, I don't know what is it, but anyways, this is what it looks like when I put the phone already on the tripod. And actually, see, the only thing that I don't like it, because you cannot put it like really high. Like if I want to put it on the top of like phone, you cannot do that, because the, what do you call this, this one is like a little bit short. If you wanna, you know what I mean, if I put the lights on the top of my phone, I cannot do that, because it's really, because it's this is a little bit short. So what you can do is put it in the side of your phone like that. And yeah, this is how it's brightest, off, on. Like, you know, if you're like You don't have to use your giant tripod, giant whatever you call the ring light. Actually, this is fine, especially when you're like live streaming using your phone. I think this is okay to give you a little, what do you call that, brightness in your videos or doing live streaming. Right, this is the little ring light. It comes in the tripod with the lights off. It's bright. And then let's see, can I ask a favor? Can you turn on the light, please? I want to just see the difference with no lights, and lights on. It's not too bad at all. Ooh. So that's cute. Not too bad. A little ring light right here. Wow. Alright guys, by the way, I bought these from Walmart. They're like $4.98, and it comes with a little ring light, flexible ring light that you can move it around whatever position do you want to put the small ring light. How do you call this? Is this selfie light? Whatever. It's basically the same ring light or selfie light. So yes, I got it from Walmart. Again, they're only $4.98. So yeah, it's very cute, small tripod for a smartphone, and especially it comes with a cute ring light. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you'll notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching again everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.